right, we're going on that. And Ma's already in the tunnel. Oh boy, we're in the tunnel. Whew. Oh man, that's cool. This shouldn't be too bad. Oh, my arm's getting heavy. Where would you like to go, Ma? Alright, we're going in the back. Woohoo! Woohoo! You want to aim backwards or you want to aim forwards? Alright. You want me next to you? Alright.
It's tight.
Yeah, it is tight. Oh, I didn't put my foot far enough. Okay, there we go. And get my foot in there. Okay. Oh, okay. My wallet. Oh, yeah, it's a tight fit.
I'll be okay with holding this
Here. When she comes by to check, I'll ask her to hold on to this. I'll hold my hat. No, my hips don't fit in this. Oh, it's not comfortable. No, it's all good. No, I'll be fine. It's a kid's ride. This is a kid's ride. Okay, there we go.
Let's just make sure. Do you want yours a little tighter?
No, I'm good.
Okay, perfect.
All right. So it's not scary, right?
No, it's not scary.
I think it's scary. I think you're just lying to me.
Well, looks like we'll have to see. All right, now you're gonna start spinning.
Oh no. She's making it. She's lying. It's extremely scary.
And to make it very spinny.
And it's also what that word is over there. What's that word, Ma? Ma?
It's flippin' fun.
Flippin' fun. It better not be flippin' fun. That's not what this is supposed to be, flippin'. There's no flippin' involved here.
Gates opening.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, I can't believe I got my hat off. Hey, we're going the wrong way. I thought we were going that way.
I thought we were going to
Oh no, we're going backwards. You're saying, what is that? What is this? This is backwards. What are we doing? Hey, look, a tree. Look. Okay, well that's not bad. We're going backwards. Hey, no, we're not going backwards. Whoa! Oh no! Oh no! 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 Oh, look, a tree. Cool. Whoa! All right. Who told me? Oh, wait. You said this didn't spin, Mom. You said it didn't spin. Whoa! Hey, Cultus Lake up here. Whoa! 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 Oh no! Almost lost my glasses. Almost lost my glasses. Oh no! Oh no! Oh, who said? Okay, all right, enough with the spinning. Enough with the spinning. Oh, oh no. Now we're going the other way. No, 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 no. Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez. Okay. All right. We have nobody in the other behind us. That's why we're spinning so much. Oh, jeez. Okay. Why? Why? Why?
Oh, that's good.
Why? Why? We're still spinning. We're still spinning. Why?
We spin so
Why? We're still spinning.
Uh-oh, look at you.
All right, putting the hat on now. It's okay, I put my hat on now, right?
Yeah.
All right. We're kind of still spinning though.
We are. The gate's closed.
You lied to us. Oh my goodness.
Oy, oy, oy.
Was it fun?
It was fun.
It was fun.
It was.
Look at that.
She's lying.
It was a lot of fun.
She's gonna get it in there. Okay, and the lock is good. Nope. We're spinning again.
Nope, I won't let you spin.
Okay, good.
There you go. All right, let's go.
Yay. Woohoo!
Thank you. And like, just put your hat right over by the entrance.
Okay. All right, now that we're still spinning, aren't we? I feel like we're still spinning. You okay?
Yeah, I'm good.
All right. Subscribe so you can see us on the next ride. I thought I saw a bird go by.